Hello, my name is Leo. I'm a tech engineer for the contact center team based in Poland. Right now, we're going to discuss how to collect the heap dump file from the Tomcat service when we are experiencing high memory utilization, and most likely we're presuming that the issue is related with the memory leak. So, initially, what we want to do is to open a session with our CVP server and open the task manager, and on the details tab we will sort everything by the memory consumption, and we will be able to see the different Tomcat processes that are consuming most of the memory. In our case, we're interested in this one, which is the one that is consuming most of the memory. If we right click on it and we click on properties, we can check and see that this Tomcat process is related to the VXML server. So from here, what we need to wrote down is the process ID, which we will be using later on this video. From here, what we will be doing is then checking the Java version that we're using on our CVP server, as we will be required to download the JDK for that same Java version to then collect the heap dump file. So what we can do is we can go to the Cisco CVP JRE bin folder and run the Java minus version application that will tell us which which version of Java we're running. In this case, it's OpenJDK version 1.8.0 underscore 342. And what we will do is go to the OpenLogic website and download the OpenJDK JDK application for that same version, and then we can go ahead and extract it, and we can see here the content of the application. From here, what we will be using mainly is the JMap option. So what we will do next is that we will run the command prompt, but this time with admin privileges. This is required because since Java is interacting with the Tomcat process, it will need to have admin rights to be able to access it and make modifications. In this case, it will just go ahead and pull all the information related to the threads that are being utilized by the Tomcat service. Once we're here, what we can do is just copy this path and do cd and move to this folder. Let's move this to the side to have more room. And from here, what we will do is we can do jmap.exe minus dump column file equals, we can call it vxml.hprof, and then we follow by the process ID. In this case, our process ID is 5704, so we'll type here 5704 and we will hit enter. This will just tell us, okay, we're creating the heap dump, and then once that's done, we have the heap dump file created. In this same folder, we will be able to find the actual vxml.hprof file. The size of this file will vary depending on, well, the amount of memory being utilized by server, because then it will contain information about each of the threads that it will be utilizing. Once we have this information, we can just go ahead and create a tag case and provide this information to the tag engineer to further analyze it. And that's it for this video. Thank you.